If you need to adjust your hinges, the SFS hinge offers a lateral adjustment of 2 to 3 mm. To adjust the hinge laterally, loosen the top and bottom screws that are located above and below the hex screw using a 4 mm hex key. Tighten or loosen the hex screw to move the slab in the required direction. The SFS hinge also offers a 6 mm vertical adjustment or a -2 mm adjustment if required. To perform this adjustment, remove the cap that sits on top of the hinge to expose the 4 mm hex screw. Open the door to access the 2 grub screws which hold the hinge pin and slacken each of them off by 1 turn, using a 1.5 mm hex key. Returning to the internal side, you may then use your 4 mm hex key to either tighten to lift or loosen to drop the door leaf. Ensure the air gap around the door is even on all sides. Once complete, retighten the grub screws and reattach the end cap.